Hi children, good morning. 4th class, semester 2, EVS page number 158. Our 11th lesson is about the early man. So, long ago, the early man used to live. They lived where they used to live, Nana, in jungles. That means in forest, and they used to live with the very dangerous animals. Even they were afraid of the animals. By protecting themselves, they were used to live in the forest only. And they used to move from one place to another place for the in search of food and shelter. And where they used to live in caves, they used to sleep in caves or on the trees. And slowly after some days they started making their small huts by using the mud and leaves. When they felt hungry, they used to eat the fruits which are available on the trees of the forest and roots of the plants. Sometimes they used to kill the animals also, and they used to eat raw flesh. That means without cooking, directly they used to eat that flesh. As we wear clothes now, the early man did not had clothes like us that time. So he used to use leaves, barks of trees and skin of dead animals to protect his body. And what tools he used to use, that time he was not having much knowledge as the present man is having, and all these weapons were not there that time. So he used stones like knives to cut, chop and scrap. To cut the to kill the animals, he used stones like this. Okay. And they also used sharp wooden sticks as tools. Sharp wooden sticks will be that also they used for the as tools. Later they tied sharp stones to wooden sticks and used these to hunt animals from a distance. Ila వుడెన్ స్టిక్స్కి షార్ప్ స్టోన్స్ని టై చేసి అనిమల్స్ని హంట్ చేసేవాళ్ళు. సో స్లోలీ దే బిగాన్ టు మేక్ స్పియర్స్, హ్యామర్స్ అండ్ యాక్స్ హెడ్స్. స్పియర్స్, హ్యామర్స్ అంటే గొడ్డలి, కోడలి అంటారు చూడండి, అవి నాన్న. So with these tools it became easy to hunt animals and to dig the ground. They were no longer afraid of animals now. Why? Because they have weapons now. Slowly they started making tools from bones of animals also. Now about the discovery of fire. Early man would often see fires breaking out in jungle. Means sometimes the forest would catch the fire. Mari fire ekkadi nunchi vastundo tanaki teliyకపోయేది. They noticed that animals were afraid of it. They soon realized that they could use fire to scare away wild animals. అప్పుడు ఏం అబ్జర్వ్ చేసేవారు, ఫారెస్ట్ మొత్తం కాలిపోతున్నప్పుడు వైల్డ్ యానిమల్స్ వాటికి భయపడి పారిపోయేవి. అది చూసి ఎర్లీ మ్యాన్ ఏమని అర్థం చేసుకున్నా అంటే వైల్డ్ యానిమల్స్కి ఫైర్ కనిపిస్తే అవి భయపడిపోతాయని. So what early man took many years to learn about the use of fire. They found the fire protected them from cold as well as from wild animals. They slowly used fire to light up caves. వాళ్ళు ఉండే కేవ్స్లో చీకటిగా ఉంటుంది కదా, అక్కడ వెలుతురు కోసం వాళ్ళు ఫైర్ని చేసేవాళ్ళు అనమాట. Later, early man discovered the fire could be made by rubbing two stones together. Two stonesని ఎప్పుడైతే ఒక దగ్గర రబ్ చేస్తామో వాటి నుంచి కూడా ఫైర్ పుడుతుంది అని ఎర్లీ మ్యాన్ నేర్చుకున్నాడు. They could now make fire whenever they wanted. This made them feel safe. The discovery of fire changed the life of early man. This was an important step in their progress. They accidentally found that a roasted piece of meat is softer and tastier than raw meat. Thus they started cooking meat. Now about the farming. Early man threw away the seeds after they ate the fruits. They noticed that over a period of time the seeds grew into new plant. So what he did, by observing that, he started to collect the seeds and spread on the stretches of land. Many of the seeds they grow into plant. How they started the farming and became the food producers from the food gatherers. Now they did not need to roam. Yes or no? Now they are able to grow the plants. So now they no need to roam, means they no need to go to another places in search of food. So after many years, early man started digging the soil with stone tools to make it soft. Thus they began to plow the land. In the beginning they used to plow the land themselves. Plow ante dunnadam nana. Later they began to use animals. This was the beginning of agriculture. Starting లో వాళ్ళే తవ్వేవాళ్ళు, ఇలా ఇప్పుడు దున్నేవాళ్ళు పొలాన్ని, అక్కడున్న మట్టిని. కానీ తర్వాత వాళ్ళు అనిమల్స్తో ప్లా చేసేవాళ్ళు ల్యాండ్ని. లేటర్ దే బిగన్ టు యూజ్ ద అనిమల్స్. దిస్ వాజ్ ద బిగినింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద agriculture. Leading a settled life. Early men thought they could use animals to help them in their work, so they began to tame and rear animals. Tame ante to domesticate, పెంచుకోవడం అన్నమాట. The dog was perhaps the first animal they tamed. What is the first domesticated animal? Dog. It helped them in hunting. Cows, buffaloes and goats were reared for milk. Sheep were reared for wool. Horses and asses were used for riding and carrying loads. Now early man had to look after their farms and domestic animals. They stopped moving from place to place and started living near their farms. Early man built tent-like huts with stones. So with the help of stones, they used it to build their houses, and with stones, branches of trees, animal skins, and huts where they used it to build near the rivers, so that water can be easily available for the irrigation, means for growing of plants for agriculture. And he caught fishes also. River water nundi fishes ni catch చేసేవారు వారి ఫుడ్ కోసం. సో ది బిగన్ టు లివ్ ఏ మోర్ సెటిల్డ్ లైఫ్. నౌ అబౌట్ ద ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్. సో ఎర్లీ మెన్ మస్ట్ హ్యావ్ సీన్ లాగ్స్ ఆఫ్ వుడ్ ఫ్లోటింగ్ ఆన్ వాటర్. This perhaps gave them idea of tying these trunks together to travel by water. చెట్టు ఈ ట్రంక్ ఉంటుంది కదా, అది కొట్టేసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ఒకసారి వాళ్ళు ఏం అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారు, అది వాటర్లో పడ్డప్పుడు వాటర్ పైన తేలుతుంది అని అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారు. సో దాంతో ఏం చేశారు, ఆ వుడ్ లాగ్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, వాటన్నిటిని ఇలా తాడుతో కట్టేసి దే యూజ్ టు travel by water. Later they also learned to tie a number of logs together and make a raft. That is called as a raft. అన్ని లాగ్స్ ఆఫ్ వుడ్ ని ఇలా ఒక దగ్గర చేర్చి తాళ్లతోని కట్టేవాళ్ళు. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఏ రాఫ్ట్. అండ్ దిస్ రాఫ్ట్ హెల్ప్డ్ దెమ్ టు మూవ్ హెవీ లోడ్స్ ఈజీలీ. నెక్స్ట్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ ద ఇన్వెన్షన్ ఆఫ్ వీల్. So early men used to travel on land. It was difficult them to carry heavy loads on their backs. They made a cart which do not have wheels. So in the beginning they made a cart like this. There are no wheels for this. See, yes or no? So but it has no wheels, no, so it will be difficult to pull. Yes or no? So later what they did, they found round pieces of tree trunk rolled easily. So round pieces of tree trunks, okay, wood pieces will be round wood pieces. They found that this will be easy to move the carts. They fitted that to their carts. Now they could move the carts easily even on even surfaces. These were their first wheels, like this. ఆ వుడ్ని ఇలా కట్ చేసి వాళ్ళు ఫిట్ చేసేవాళ్ళు అనమాట. Early men later learned to make pots from the clay. They used them to store food grains. They are in use even today. Much later, man found that some stones had metal which oozed out when melted. Oozed out అంటే ఆ మెటల్ని కరిగియచ్చు వేడి చేసినప్పుడు అనేసి తెలుసుకున్నారు. Iron and copper were probably the first metals they discovered. They made sharp and strong tools with these metals and used them to cut down trees and clear jungles. Iron తోని కాపర్ తోని వాళ్ళు టూల్స్ తయారు చేశారనమాట. ఫస్ట్ వాటి దేనికి యూజ్ చేసేవారు, టు కట్ డౌన్ ద ట్రీస్ అండ్ ఫర్ క్లియరింగ్ ద జంగల్స్ ఫర్ ఫార్మింగ్. Early men began to make progress in leaps and bounds towards a more settled and comfortable way of life. Today we look back in awe to our humble beginnings and look forward to all the developments that are yet to be. So early men soon learned how to have a settled and comfortable life, and he tried to invent and discover many new things, and now he made our life comfortable. Yes or no? Nowadays many developments are being taken place in all the fields which make our life comfortable. Yes or no? So this is our lesson reading of early man. I will write the questions of this lesson. I will give tickings in this textbook only, Nana. Just observe it carefully and copy them. What tools did the early man use? Answer in the page number 161 here, second point. Early man used stones and sticks as tools. This is your first answer. How did early men protect themselves from wild animals? Second answer. Here in the page number 159, early men. In the place of they, you write early men found that fire protected them from cold as well as from wild animals. Next question, how did early men learn to make fire? Here in the same paragraph after the second answer. Here later, from here you start. From early man discovered that fire could be made by rubbing two stones together. They could now make fire whenever they wanted. This made them feel safe. Fourth question, how did early man learn to grow plants? Here page 159, under farming, early man threw away the seeds after they ate fruits. They noticed that over a period of time the seeds grow into new plants. Up to here you write, afterwards this you write. This is how they started farming. This is your fourth answer. Now fifth question, how did early man how and why did early man start to live more settled life? In the page number 160, here you have this fifth answer. This total three lines of this paragraph you write as the fifth answer. Next, sixth question, how did the early man get the idea of a wheel? In the same page 160, under the invention of wheel, from here 1, 2, 3, fourth line. In the place of they, you write early man later found that round pieces of tree trunks rolled easily. They fitted these to their carts. Now they could move the carts easily even on uneven surfaces. These were the first wheels. This is your sixth answer. Now choose the correct options. Early man lived in jungles. Option B. Early man used fire to light up caves. Option B. The first animal tamed by early man was probably dog. Option D. Early men learned to tie logs together to make a raft. Option D. Early men covered themselves with animal skin, leaves and barks. Option D. Now fill in the blanks. Early men did not know how to cook food. Early men used sharp-edged stones like knives to cut, dig and scrape. The discovery of fire changed the life of early man. Early man used animals to help them in their work. Iron and copper were probably the first metals to be discovered. So this is our lesson, Anna. Go through the lesson reading and complete the notes. Okay, children, have a nice day.